very happy na yung dream namin na matuloy yung launch at na finally natupad din. We're ready to get to work anytime soon. I'm so happy to share with my friends who came with me because it's meant to be shared with friends.
This is very nice trial for restoration of terrace field because the scenery is very nice and the people are happily living in harmony with nature. We need to support the restoration. From Manila, the helicopter brings us to Banaue. We arrived Bataan by van and we go down to the viewpoint.
The trekking, the hiking, the treacherous stairways to down below and going up again. And the weather is so very challenging. It's very interesting.
It took us for 15 and 20 minutes to walk down there. When we arrived there, the scenery is so nice and so everything is so beautiful. After that, rain continued for a while, but we tried to get up the mountain and ride on a bus, but it was a nice experience. The dance made by kids are very nice, so I'm very happy to be here and there's something I can do for you guys, I think.
I have more friends, but they cannot come here this time. But for those who have come here, they have contributed their time and their efforts, and they all look forward to working together very soon. Yeah. I'm overwhelmed. I'm very touched because they come here to help as well. Cheers! It is our advocacy to help our farmers in the country. Since this is an agricultural municipality and it's so filled with culture and history, so exciting and so fulfilling to be able to be part of the project to rehabilitate the rice terraces.
I am happy and it is successful. Gusto ko lahat during the program this morning, the message of Dr. Howe, the presentation of General De Los Santos. So I was impressed.
As we take this first step towards our goal, we are optimistic that we will not face the day when we would only experience the grandeur of the Banaue Rice Terraces through a postcard. I would like to thank you all for all your support for the Banaue Rice Terraces Restoration Project. Here's to a better future for our Banaue Rice Terraces farmers. Mabuhay ang magsasakang Pilipino! Mabuhay ang mga mamamayan ng Banaue, Ifugao!
Mabuhay ang Rice Terraces!
At the viewpoint side, I thought Doctora can't afford to go down, but she did it.
I never experienced that before. It's good for losing weight. I will recommend that for people who don't exercise a lot. It is fun to come here and lose their weight.
Banaue is one of the greatest rice terraces so far I know.
I came here, they performed for us, and I asked them if they like to go to Disneyland. So yes, they said yes, they like to go to Disneyland, so I'll bring them there.
Dr. Ha, very thankful po ako sa iyo kasi first time ko pong pumunta sa
I'm honored, very deeply honored and humbled by being a daughter of Banaue Ifugao. I'm now family with everybody here.
Ako po ay si Dr. Milagros Hao, ang inyong kapatid ngayon. I knew I had a mission to accomplish. So I embarked on the journey and then brought my friends here and told about how beautiful is your land. And I wish to help contribute to improve everything that I can to my best capacity. Lahat ng kaya kong mabibigay, tutulungan ko po kayong lahat.
Dr. Milagros gathered the people together over here. What I'm impressed about her is that she's very heartful woman who is trying to support the many people.
Dr. Howe definitely is doing a right path. All of us have to support.
Very much thankful to Dr. Hao for her assistance. For our part, we are ready to help ourselves.
I like to tell everybody that we have a lovely place here in Banaue Ifugao that needs help from our brothers in the country. They should come and enjoy the beautiful landscape, the natural tapestry. The beauty of these rice terraces should be rehabilitated to perfection and bring back the old glory of what our ancestors have done for Banaue Ifugao.